jeez. The morning gargles. Good morning, guys. As you can see, I was woken up by a freaking RV right out my open exposed window. So that's gonna be great, that's looking right into my freaking nude ass sleeping in the sleeping bag. I was thinking about getting some called Reflectix, some kind of like coverings today for my windows, and then obviously I need to find a new spot because that spot sucks now. So many, it used to just be like 2 people and me at most, but now like RVs, buses, vans, everything's just like a freaking like Carvana parking lot. So this freaking balloon up here landed in a neighborhood, and then I think it just took off again. What the heck is this balloon, like Uber? Like, alright, here you go, man. 5 stars. That'd be a good idea. Oh, so this happened the other day. Freaking hit and run, like right after the hotel. It was like a day after I noticed this. So I have footage before the hotel. So it must have been at the hotel. And I'm trying to see, they're trying to like look for the footage, but they just haven't called me back. But it sucks. Just add it to my thing. Add it to my list. So I got 200K out of this thing.
Yeah? Looking forward to the next 200 or what?
Well, it said it only lasts, that one said only lasts.
Yeah, that's a bad bearing for sure.
90 to 100.
That's a little hot still.
Oh, that's right. Thinking they put cow in here. Alright guys, as you can see, my friend fixed or replaced these bearings and belt so it doesn't make any noise. So yeah, it's just that engine that needs to be tuned up, and that should fix that sound for sure. So I filled out a police report for that accident, and hopefully they'll call me back soon. Also looking at this thing, just to straighten my teeth. This is nuts. It's like, yep, I already have enough on my plate right now. So yeah guys, that's that. Freaking hair is growing in weird. But yeah, that's that. Car repairs and trying to get my teeth and everything. Like, will I ever get out of this place? Will I ever? Check out this massive house I just delivered to. In like the middle of nowhere. Gotta back up. There's like nothing out here. In the middle of nowhere. Freaking massive. Nothing for miles. It's so dark probably. But yeah. Massive, massive house. Freaking took me like freaking 29 minutes, hours, 30 minutes or so. Long drive for that food. Oh well guys, what a weird day. What a weird end to the day. Yeah, we didn't go to freaking Home Depot and get the Reflectix, but maybe another time we'll do that. I just had a lot of stuff come up and just had to work and just other mental stuff too. So maybe next time. It's just I'm like trying to build this guy's website, and then they want like me to do this server work from like other domains, and I just don't know what to do. And it's like I never signed up for this. I just wanted to design the freaking website, not the freaking servers. So yeah, another day in car life down. Still at the same old spot that I got checked out at. Ah man, I suck. I really need to find other spots. Like I need to be like a spot hunter. I need to go back to that. But thanks for watching and subscribing and liking and all that. It really helps me out. Get this information out, and gives me something to do. So lock your doors, stay safe guys, and FDR.